Hello friend, welcome to see this video. It's the introduction of FRT350 Bridgestone cutting machine. For this machine, it is controlled by PLC system. We can select auto or main style, make it working. We can adjust the cutting speed, where the frequency converter according to the material, size, hardness of the slab. The machine has high precision laser device, make cutting area less than 1 mm. Motors are controlled by lead screw, can run fast and long time. It has 4 pillars and goes down or up by hydraulic. In addition, it has integrated steel stand, can be unbeatable. It has 2 functions. Firstly, the cutting head of Bridgestone can rotate 90 degrees. Secondly, the head can tilt 45 degrees. Now let's watch more details about 45-degree tilting head working videos. As you can see, high cutting efficiency, high cutting precision, high stability, easy and flexible operation act. Especially suitable for the high-value large specifications of granite, marble slabs cutting. If you want to know more for this machine, please feel free to contact us. We are waiting for your inquiry and provide the best service for you all the time. That's all. Thank you.